Do you know what is the best way to enjoy Buldak Bokkeum Myeon? On a Korean TV show called U-Quiz, the developer of Buldak Bokkeum Myeon shared the best buldak recipe ever. All you need for this gorgeous, awesome, and delicious Buldak Bokkeum Myeon is Buldak Bokkeum Myeon, sweet corn, sugar, mayo, and cheese. First of all, open the cup and put the hot water to the line and wait till the noodle to be cooked. While I was waiting, I cleaned my electric kettle because it was too dirty. I got nothing to lose. 널 좋아한다고. Oops, I realized that one of my pajama button escaped. If you waited for 4 minutes following the instruction on the cup, your noodle would be perfectly ready. Now, make some holes on the top. Hole on the top with good chopsticks. And throw the water away. Be careful with your hands, it's hot. Say bye-bye to the cover. And now put the magic sauce on the noodle. And don't forget to put some sauce on your finger and taste it with your tongue. How is it? Spicy? Hey, I got you. Squeeze the last drop. Yeah. And now just make the sauce and the noodle very well. Move it to the upside, downside, jiggle, wiggle, zigzags, whatever. And now you need to bring some corn to make corn cheese. I prepared 5 spoons of corn and made one circle with mayo on it, like this. Yup, perfect. And then I put some sugar. Nice sound of sugar. And cheese. I used mozzarella cheese and carefully put the cheese on the corn. Here in Korea, it's hard to find good fresh mozzarella cheese. It's so sad. Take the cheese particle off from the table and then bring it to the microwave. Open the door. Put the corn cheese in it. Close the door and set the timer as 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's always too boring to wait for the microwave to be done. 4, 3, 2, 1, yay! Open, take the corn out, turn it off, and put some more cheese on it because I wanted more. I was not sure if I'm putting the cheese in the bowl or just spreading on the table. Oh yeah. Again, pick the cheese up. But see, with more cheese, with the cheese, the more is the better. And now put the corn cheese you made on the noodle carefully, like this. Ooh. This cheese was too clingy, so I used some chopstick. And now is the final touch. Put the sesame seeds and liver flake which is attached to the noodle. And now see, it's done. Super simple and looks very delicious. Now let me try a bite. I was so starving. Come to my mouth. What the? Okay, again, let's try to have a bite. What the? Okay, now I fixed it. Okay. From here, it's just my eating show. So if you want to choose the recipe, you can stop watching the video. But if you want to join my lunch, you can be with me. Thank you.